Hey, what's up people, hope everyone's doing well. So in today's video I'll be going through a trade that I took on gold. However, the twist is that I used a supply zone that was generated in the previous night's Asia session, which is not something that I usually do. However, it worked out in my favor and I'll be going through why. So starting off, we can see that price has already mitigated a higher time frame 3-hour supply zone in this purple circle right over here. And because I missed out on this trade because it was a bit too late, I decided to try capitalize on this move in London session on the next morning. So what happened is that this 1 hour supply zone was generated in the Asia session. And from there, I marked that out as my POI, as we know that the 50% of the Asia session is something that usually gets respected. So what I did was wait for a retracement, for it to get mitigated, and wait for some sort of confirmation in order for me to take the sales. Just like that, we can see a rejection candle has entered the 1 hour supply zone. So what I'll do from here is go down to a lower time frame, like the 5 minute, and then play the market out to see if some sort of change of character will take place. Now that our 5 minute change of character has been shown, we can mark that out as a valid change of character. And then from there, we'll start to look for an order block so we can take this trade from. And after scouting through the low time frames, I found that a 2 minute order block was the best thing possible. So I drew that out and I put my position on so we can target these lows right over here for a potential 1 to 10 RR. As you can see here, that price has already hit this 50% mitigation and it's in our 1 hour supply zone. As you can see, the confluences are all aligning up for us to take this trade. And another reason in why I decided to take this trade is because that not only that it already hit a 3 hour supply zone from last night, but it is in a bearish trend already. So capitalizing from this move just makes sense. And after playing out the markets, as you can see here, price played out perfectly like I expected. It came here, retraced back to our 2 minute order block level and went straight down for take profit to hit this 1 to 10 RR. Another good confluence I would like to add is the fact that this trade had literally zero drawdown due to the fact that I entered it in the London session kill zone and it took profit around the New York session kill zone. And that'll be a wrap for today's breakdown. If you just had any value at all in this video, be sure to drop a like and comment, as I'll be posting more educational content like this in the future.